Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Scorpios. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what is coming up, Scorpios. I'll be picking a few cards from each deck, guys, and I'll be giving the angel guidance message at last. So, what the angels are guiding us to do today regarding our situation, guys. So, let us start the reading. Queen of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, Two of Cups, Scorpios. With these cards, I feel your person is coming towards you, guys. They want to be in this relationship. They like you. They feel you're their person. Okay, you match each other perfectly. That is the way they feel. You benefit each other's company, and they love you for how things are going, guys. So, and they feel you are a very what to say responsible person in this relationship. You have that respect, you honor them in this relationship. That is the energy, and they want to be with you always. So they are definitely coming towards you, Scorpios. And maybe your hard work is paying off, maybe your weight is paying off, things are falling into place. This person is coming towards you, guys. That is the energy here, guys, and something positive is coming towards you, guys. So maybe this may be your relationship, or in your work something new is coming over. You have a very good emotional satisfaction in that work, or this may be in your relationship. You have emotional satisfaction, and you want to be there for this person always. That may also be the energy here, guys. You want to be there for this person, guys. So that is the way you feel about this person, that you cannot leave them. uh, so let us pick few more cards, guys. Let us see what is coming up. Give us more clarity about your situation. Shit. So, Scorpios, with these cards, I feel you have made up your mind uh, about this person, and you want to face everything, guys. You want to move out of your comfort zone and face all kinds of challenges to be there for this person, be responsible in this relationship. Maybe for some of you all, you are getting important information today, some kind of announcement also. Maybe your person is coming towards you, and they are coming with a proposal or marriage, something important, guys. And maybe this is your person's energy. They want to face all challenges and overcome all odds to come towards you, to be there for you, guys. That may also be the energy here. They want to be responsible. So for some of you all, you feel you are going about in the same way, and you want to break out of your what to say routines, guys. Some kind of repetition, what you are going through, some kind of boredom, or maybe it may also be like your person wants to break all the rules they have and they want to just come towards you. That may also be the energy, or you may want to do that for your person. You may want to break your all the rules and go towards them, and you're feeling very committed, responsible in this relationship, and you want to be there with this person always, guys. So you are there for a long term commitment, guys. You are happily taking up the heavy responsibilities it comes up with, and what to say, you are uh, feeling happy about it, that you are being responsible, guys. So that is the energy. So Scorpios, maybe this person is definitely coming towards you guys, or you are definitely going towards your person. That is the reading, guys. Let us see what the angels are guiding us with today. What is coming up from angel guidance deck, guys? I'll be picking one card from this deck. So it's an angel card, guys. So you need to what to say, understand that whatever happened has happened in the past. So you need to overcome your past memories and thoughts, and you should have a clear understanding with your person and find that common ground, so you can be that loving, sharing, and compassionate beings in your relationship, guys. So you don't have to be judgmental. You have to have a clear understanding, open your heart to understanding, give up all your past negative emotions you had regarding this relationship or regarding your past relationship, and you should move forward with your life, guys. That is the angel's guidance message today, Scorpios. So that is the reading for today, guys. Thanks for watching, Scorpios. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.